This is a recipe for a wicked sugar scrub that is actually a 3-in-1 product, and we will go over that a little bit later. But first of all, let's go over one of the main ingredients, which is a special soap base. It is called a foaming bath butter, or OPC, and it is a very unique and versatile cosmetic base with many luxurious bath and body care applications. It is predominantly used to make foaming whipped soaps and whipped scrubs. The base is made from mild surfactants that create a rich lather and is also rich in glycerin for extra hydration. I'm going to cut the soap base in smaller cubes so I can whip it easier. You will find the exact recipe down in the description box below, along with links for all ingredients and equipment if you want to know where to get them. And to this ingredient we are going to add shea butter. High concentrations of fatty acid and vitamins make shea butter an ideal cosmetic ingredient for softening skin. Shea butter is used to help moisturize, nourish and soothe the skin. Now, with the use of a hand mixer with sturdy whisks, that's very important, you want to whip the mixture until it gets very fluffy and everything is nicely blended. This might take a while, but it's totally worth it. Like I mentioned before, this is a 3-in-1 product. It is a soap base, it is nourishing for the skin because of the added shea butter, and it is an exfoliant due to the sugar that we will be adding in just a moment. And since Easter is coming up, we will create the Easter scrub that you will see at the end of the video. I do have other sugar scrub videos on my channel that I will link down in the description box, so you can see different variations and packaging ideas that you could create with it. If you're a member of my Buy Me a Coffee page, you will have free access to recipe cards and product labels that are designed for you to print out and use. I also designed some Easter stickers or labels that you can then add to your handmade Easter gifts that you want to make this year. You want to just scrape the mixture from the sides and make sure that everything is nicely blended. It looks amazing. It's now time to add our main ingredient, which is the sugar. I am just going to fold it in gently with the spatula and then give it a good mix with my mixer. Sugar granules are great and a gentle exfoliant. It breaks down layers of dead skin and smooths the skin's surface. It also speeds up rehydration, keeping the skin conditioned and moisturized. Even though sugar is not so good for its nutritional value, it's a great natural exfoliant. As a side note, I am not using a preservative in this video, but if you want, you could use, for example, Optifen at a 0.5% usage rate. The next step is optional, but you could add some colorant to your mixture. For this special project I'm using a mica called Yellow Vibrance from Nurture Soap. I will also leave a link in the description for a good mica option you can find on Amazon. Then I'm just using my whisk to blend the color in very well, so that the mixture looks uniformly colored. Next is I'm going to add a fragrance oil. This is an optional step, but if you do, check the usage rates that are suggested by the supplier of the specific fragrance oil that you are using. Like for example on the fragrance oil bottle itself or on the website. Once you're happy that everything is nicely mixed, you can fill your jars with the mixture, or like I'm going to do, I fill it in a piping bag so I can pipe the mixture into a jar or into a tin. The mixture is a little heavy and thick, so I advise to start with a little bit mixture and not like a big bag like I have here. These are some pink 60 milliliter aluminum jars that I got off of Amazon. I will leave also a link down in the description, and I just pipe the mixture into the tins. Looks really cute. And now we can go ahead and add some decorations to it if we want to. I made some melt and pour embeds fitting to the theme, and I have a separate video how to create those. If you are interested, I will leave the tutorial in the upper right hand corner for you to check out. And I'm just gonna add these to the scrub. I had some bigger plastic cups here. I'm gonna add those to the scrub mixture as well. I think it looks really cool. Could be a nice little Easter gift. I think a handmade gift is always very special. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you're interested in more skincare DIY or soap making videos, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. I see you very soon, and in the meantime, have a wonderful day. Bye bye.